Hey, what's going on, people? So now that I got the back cover ready, now I know it's not leaking. We're good. Now I'm doing the side cover, which is a push rod cover, and changing the gasket. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. This is how the old gasket was. It's in really bad condition. This thing has been there for who knows how long. I don't know. So I got the new one. It's a little hard to find because they send a different one all the time, every time I order it. This one is a little bit different here. This, I don't know, loop here. Belly, I don't know what you call that. So if this one don't have it, I'm gonna have to modify it a little bit, just by cutting it, by cutting here. I think it's gonna be fine. Not gonna be a big deal. So let me go ahead and do it. All right, and I'm putting back the side cover, the push rod cover. I always put a little bit of silicone in the gasket in order to keep it in place. So it makes it easy when you're doing these and the gasket is not falling all the time. So as you can see, I like to tie these by hand with the ratchet. Because if you do an electrical ratchet, you maybe can put too much power in there and you can break the gasket. Alright, so just be careful with that. These type of gaskets are very easy to break. Okay. They don't take too much. Alright, I put everything back together. I put the coil and everything. I can have a little bit here. Okay, and I'm gonna crank it. Just make sure everything is connected right. And leave it there overnight so everything can dry. Alright, so it's the next day. Let us see it and dry overnight. And then crank it this morning. It's running right now. There's no leaks anymore. carburetor a little bit. I can feel it. It's not 100%, so I want to make it the best I can. And well, that was it. Stay tuned for more videos. I got more coming. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff on this truck. If you like old Chevy trucks, well, stay tuned, and you're gonna enjoy this channel. All right? Thank you so much. See you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye.